شايفة كيف؟ هي موجودة كلهم موجودات وكلهم توثقات على الهدول ويعذبوا عليك.
عذبوا اليوم.
طيب وشو بتضايق من ناحية نفسية هيك عليك؟
In front. Can we go out? A sec.
What you are doing here? Go home. And the soldiers, they do nothing to protect the Palestinians. If a Palestinians do that, you will take him to the jail or shoot him.
الله أكبر!
הולך לעשות פה סדר במקום הזה.
איך סדר?
הולך סדר, לעשות סדר בכל האזור הזה.
איך?
זהו, אין מה לעשות.
איך הוא יעשה?
זהו, כן, אכלתם אותה. זהו, נגמר עם כל
אלה, שוברים שתיקה, כל האנרכיסטים האלה. ארגון יש דין, הארגונים שפה, שמתפרנסים מלהכפיש את חיילי צה"ל. מי שמתפרנס מלפגוע בארץ ישראל, מי שבא.
He was a person who put a framed picture of a mass murderer on his wall at home, described him as a hero. Doesn't that worry you?
He's apologized for that, and he said he's matured through that. But bottom line is people want anti-jihadism, pro-family, and pro-God.
Your silence will bring you checkpoints all over. Your silence will bring you division all over. Your silence, I'm talking to the Israelis. Your silence will bring you soldiers.
Itamar Ben-Gvir, the head of the Jewish National Committee.
That is my house. That is my house.
Yeah. This one. So you can't.
Up on the hill.
And you're not allowed to go there.
I'm not allowed to walk from here.
Yeah.
Usually, this is closed. Despite this was my school.
Issa, what's happening to you now?
I'm arrested.
Why? Why detained? Have they said? Well, we just with